JD Cap 26 here, just doing tips and fears and hobbies. And we picked out the colors for the base. We've got tan, dark tan, gray, and some water in there, blue, two types of blues. And then for over there, red, white, and black and flesh color for the lady. And the creature, we got light green, a little bit darker green, a yellow, and a black, and a taupe. So you'll see this all painted when it's done. So here's the base, and we went in with a pale blue around here to make it look like water. And we used a middle sandstone and a gray for the rock. And those are the colors right there. Okay. Some of that of the girl painted and skin tone. And I want to show you something else here with the airbrush. When you clean it out, stick it in a bucket like this of water and bubble it. Okay? By bubbling it, you clean it out very well after you get the initial paint out of it, and then put it down in here in the sprayer. And it'll clean it out very nicely. I use half and half Windex in the water. And that's the compressor going right now. That's what I want to show you there. I want to show you the colors that we used. The dark green, a mixture in the bottle of that green and a white to lighten the green color, which is the color next to it, 71007. And then a yellow, a blue, a flesh color, red, white, black, flesh color, and a tan. Those are the colors we used on this model. Okay, so we're all done here. I'm going to turn it for you. We put a sealer on it, 2 coats of sealer, and this is the creature from the Black Lagoon. This is in the cave scene of the movie, and it came out pretty well. I enjoyed painting it. I'm sorry I didn't show you more of the painting as I went along, but I like to do that and concentrate on what I'm doing when I'm painting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Take care. Oh, and have a happy Thanksgiving as well.